It's me here, and how's it going with you guys today? Let's begin the video. I'm gonna play this game until I die, and then I'm gonna stop recording. Good so far. The important part is to not blank a good amount. That's the good thing. The good thing is that I'm not used to blinking during my videos. Yeah. I'm just sitting here making a video, and all that steals a pillow. Wait, I can claim a reward. Let's see what I can claim a reward. What is it? What can new season hunt? Got it. Claim the reward. 2 keys, thanks. Okay. Start this again. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa. That was unexpected. Oh my gosh, I'm going to die, and if I die, I am going to cry. That's a jump. Stop. That is not going to go well. I almost died there. I almost died in that exact location. That is, oh, I'm going to die. I am literally going to die, but I made it. Oh, whoa. I mean, that was unexpected. Oh my gosh, I got... Let's go. Oh wait, my thing has ended. Oh my gosh, I was on diamond. US 10,000 coins. I qualified for diamond last week, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna play one more time, and hopefully it will be a good score. Okay, good so far, I guess. Right, that was a bit unexpected. I have a key, so I can start again, hoverboard. Alright. I mean... Okay. Alright. And as always, peace out, gamers.